It's a beautiful day for remote learning, a beautiful day for a lesson. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? It's a studently day in this beauty wood, a studently day for a lesson. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? I have always wanted to have a student just like you. I've always wanted to teach in a classroom with you. So let's make the most of this beautiful day. Since we're together, might as well say, would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my student? Won't you please? Won't you please? Please won't you be my student?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Miss Nichols' Neighborhood. It's me, your teacher, Miss Nichol here. I'm here with my at-home remote teaching helper, my sister Kaylee Nichol. Hi.
Hello.
This is for some of my second graders who are ready to continue progressing on their addition and subtraction journey. Now, we have done a great job. You guys did amazing work doing addition, learning how to regroup, and even adding 3, 4 numbers together that were double digits. Amazing. Now it's time that we look at subtraction. Remember, minus or take away. And what happens during subtraction if you don't have enough of what you need to subtract? Okay, now I know you'll be like, what? When am I going to not have enough of what you need? I'm going to walk you through some problems that you'll be seeing, and we'll see where we're going to get stuck and then what we can do to continue on solving the problem. Okay, so I am warning you, I know this might seem very new. Okay, that's okay. We're gonna do it together up here, quite a few problems. A positive about these lesson videos is you can rewatch again and try them again after you've had a little bit of practice with the learning packets you've had at home, okay? And we can always work and talk it through together, okay? But let's get started. You're gonna see problems that are gonna look like this. Even in your learning, you'll have some representations of the numbers. I'm going to get to that real soon, okay? Our problem, though, we always read our problem first, says 25 take away 7. Read it again. I want to get that in our head. 25 take away 7. Now, just like I would do with addition, other subtraction problems, I like to draw a line down the middle. That way, I'll know where my tens and my one side are. Here I go. I draw a line down the middle to keep all my work and learning organized. Ooh. This helps me see that over here are the one side. Okay, that's why the 5, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 representations of the ones. Little ones cubes, okay? On this side is the 10 side. That's why I have 2 10s. Because like we've practiced in our addition or even counting by 10, if you have 2 10s, 10 plus 10 is 20. 25, that's why you then have the 5 ones. Okay, or right here, these 10s rods are representing 10. Okay? So, going back to the one side, just to kind of remind us, like we did with addition, if all of a sudden you had 10 ones, then that ones would move to the other side and become a 10. But today, we're going to kind of need to go the other way. But I don't want to accidentally confuse us with too much of my talking. So let's keep going. And Kaylee's going to be ready to hand me manipulative pieces as we go. And if you're at home like, what do? I don't have manipulatives, these little tools, that's okay. I'm going to keep showing ways you can do it at home without these things, okay? But let's start here. Tens and my one side. Just like we did with addition, we always want to start on our one side. Don't be tricked and think, oh, I know what this is, I'll just start on the tens. No, you got to start on the one side, okay? Here I am on the one side. looking just at the one side, it's asking me, what is 5 take away 7? 5 take away 7? 5 take away 7? Can I do that?
No.
No, because 5, there's not enough to take 7 from. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's not enough. Like, there's not 7 to take away from. 5 doesn't have enough to be subtracted or taken away from. So, that means I need to go next door to the 10 side and ask for help. Hi, 10 side. We need some more ones. Help us. That's when the 10 side is going to give us the 10. We'll change it to 10 ones over here. So watch. This 10, instead of having 2 10s, there will now only be 1 10. And that 10 is going to go over here. But it's no longer a 10. It's going to be 10 ones. So Kaylee, will you help hand me 10 ones to put up here?
Right here.
Yeah. So this 10 rod changes into 1, 2, 3. Oh, thank you. Keep going. 4, 5. Good job. Thanks, Kaylee. 6, 7.
Baby.
Thank you. 8. Good job. One more. 9.
Let's see.
10.
There.
See? That 10 came over here, giving us now 10 more on the one side. Which means if I had 5 ones before and 10 more, so 10 plus 5, I'm going to count it all out to help us. We had 5 that I keep counting or adding on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I no longer have just 5 ones. I now have 15 ones. I know. I promise we're going to keep working through this together. So now, I hopefully have enough. 15, still just looking at the one side again. 15 take away 7. Could I do that?
Do it.
Sure. So I had my 15. Let's take away minus subtract 7. Okay, will you count with me, Kaylee?
Yeah.
Take away 1,
2,
2, 3,
4,
4,
5,
5. Just need to take away 7. 6,
6,
7.
6.
Now let's see how many I have left. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 left. So I write that answer down here on the one side. Whew. I think we have the one side taken care of. Now let's go back over to the 10 side and see what work needs to be done there. Okay, I now only have 1 10s left. 1 take away. Is there anything to take away here?
No.
No. So 1 take away nothing is still 1. So I write that down here. And I then have my answer. 25 take away 7 equals 18. Awesome.
Right here.
Okay, I know at home if you're watching this lesson video, you might be like, oh, I'm not sure. Or maybe you're like, oh, I got it, Miss Nickel. Either way, that's okay. Please keep learning and watching with us as we're going to do a few more problems together. I'm going to do one more with these teacher manipulatives, and then I'll show you what you can do at home if you don't have these. Because this usually just teachers have these, okay? Give me a few seconds to set up our next problem. We're now back ready for our next problem. Still looking on the positive side of things. In class, you would have had to wait for me to get everything ready. But here, the magic of film editing seems to go a little faster maybe. Here we go. Our next problem. Remember, we're we're still working with subtraction and regrouping tens as ones to help us have enough to do subtraction. Let's look at this problem. Ready?
Okay.
It says 32 take away 8. 32 take away 8 equals. Okay, let's start with what we usually always do to keep our thoughts and work organized. We're going to draw a line down the middle of the problem. Now we can easily see our 1 side and our 10 side. Okay, because 32 has 3 tens, 10, 20, 30. Remember, these each represent a 10. And then 32 means 1, 2 ones there. Okay, just like we did with addition, we start in the tens or the 1 side, everyone. 1 side. Gotta start from the 1 side, okay? The right side. Looking just at the 1 side, it now says 2 take away 8. 2. Now try to take away 8 from it. Is there enough to do that?
No.
We only have 2. How can we take away 8 from it? That doesn't work. So guess where we need to go? We need to go next door to ask for some ones. Hi there. We need 10 to regroup as a ones over here. Okay, here it goes. They're going to be nice little next door neighbors and help us. This 10 is going to come over here and will be regrouped as a 1. Now we only have 1, 2 tens. We cross it out right how many we now have left so we don't forget. Meanwhile, this 10 is going to regroup. Instead of just being 1 10, will be 10 ones. Will you help hand them to me? Here we go. We got to give 10 ones. This 10 is turning into ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, thank you, 5, good job, 6, 7,
Go ahead.
I'll help you, 8, 9, 10.
See?
Remember, this 10 that we got from next door turned into 10 over here. So now, instead of just having 2 ones, we've gone 10 more to it. We now have altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 ones. So we cross out this 2, and it's now 12. Again, a 1 in front of it, because we added 10 to it. We were given 10 to help us have enough on this side. Okay, now, I think we have what we need to finish with the 1 side, okay? Now the 1 side reads 12, take away 8. Can we do that?
Right.
Let's take away 8. Say bye-bye to 8 of these. 1, 2,
3,
4,
5,
5, 6, 7, 8. We took away 8. Let's see how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4 are left. Am I going to write down the 10 side or the 1 side over here?
No.
The 1 side. Right, 4 left right here. 4's left. Okay, we finished with the 1 side. Now we go over here. We can't forget it. Do we still have 3 10s here?
No.
No, we now only have 2 10s. Remember? Because we regrouped some to the 1s. We only have 2 10s left. 2 take away. Do I have anything to take away here? No. So 2 take away nothing is still 2. Yes, so I write that here. I have my answer. 32 take away 8 equals 24. Awesome job. Again, we didn't have enough on the 1 side, so we went next door to the 10s, regrouped it, And we're then able to finish up that subtraction. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put away these manipulatives, and I'm going to show you what you can do at home to help you if you don't have these resources there, okay? We are back with our next problem. Remember, I'm going to show you what you can do if you don't always have these manipulatives or tools or resources with you. Because this way you'll be able to solve problems like this as long as you have some type of paper and pencil with you, okay? So let's look at this problem. It says 43 take away 4. 43 take away 4. The first thing I'm going to do, I love to draw that line down the middle to keep me organized and on track. That way I can easily see the 1 side and the 10 side.
Good.
Do we start at the 10 side or the 1 side? The 1 side, okay? And
Okay.
just because I know I have a feeling I might need some help here, and I don't have Miss Nichols' little teacher manipulatives or tools, I'm going to go ahead and draw out 43 as if I had those resources. So over here I see I have 3 ones. I'm going to draw just little circles to represent my ones. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. But then over here, how many 10s do I have?
4.
Good. So I'm going to do my best. Draw 4 long rectangles like the rods. 1, 2,
4.
3,
4.
and 4. Okay. Now let's continue. I'm starting from the 1 side. The 1 side says 3 take away 4. Can I do 3 take away 4?
No.
No, 3 is a smaller number. You can't subtract from the smaller number. No. So I need to go next door to ask to regroup a 10 as some 1s. Here we go. Hi there, we don't have enough. Can you give us a 10, please? And them, being good next door neighbors, are going to do just that. This 10 is going to come over here and turn into 10 ones. I'm going to draw those out again as circles because they're a little easier than a bunch of small squares.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And since this 10 came over to the 1 side, it's now gone from the 10 side. Let's see how many 10s I do have left. 1, 2,
Wait.
3. So I'm going to cross this 4 out and say I only have 3 now. And over here, I regrouped a 10 as 1, so I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I cross out that 3. Now say I have 13. Can I do 13 take away 4?
Yeah.
Yeah, 13 is a much bigger number. So I'm going to take away minus subtract 4. Bye-bye to 4. I say bye to 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me go ahead and find out how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many did I have left? 9. I'm going to write that number over here. 9. Okay. Took a little bit of work, but I think the 1 side is settled. Let me go over to the 10 side. Remember, I now only have 3 10s. Take away, is there anything there? No. So 3 take away nothing is still,
4.
how many?
3.
Yeah, 3 take away nothing is still 3.
Yeah.
So I write that down here. Now I have my whole problem solved. 43 take away 4 equals 39. Very cool. Hopefully that kind of gave us an idea of how we can use our pencil as a tool to help us draw things out. However you need to solve it, or to help show you or help remind you to regroup a 10 as a 1s, please do it, okay? You don't have enough fingers probably to do it, but you can definitely draw it out to help you. Let's go ahead and try one more problem without Miss Nichols' resources, but just using a paper and a pencil. The last problem we're going to do all together in this lesson video reads 55 take away 6. 55 take away 6. Just like we've done with our addition and other subtraction problems, first thing I'm going to do is draw a line down the middle to help me stay organized. Now I can easily see my 1 side and my 10 side. And if you are following along at home, I'm going to try to be a little more quiet on this problem to try to push you or ask you guys, if you are able to follow along right now, to try this problem, making it interactive as much as I can, okay? And if now's not a great time, you can always rewind this video, try again later. Or if you forget during the middle of the week while learning this, come back to this lesson and try again, okay? Now, I have my 10s on my 1 side. Which side do I start on? We're getting them some think time. If you said 1s, awesome job. That's correct. I'm going to start right here on the 1 side. Now, if I'm going to need help later with subtraction, I'm going to draw out the 5 10s and the 5 1s I have here to help me with subtraction. So here's my 5 1s. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. And then how many 10s do I have here? What number is that?
5.
5. So I'm going to do my best to draw 5 10s. So 5 10 rods. Rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just like Miss Nichols, your rectangles don't have to be perfect as long as you can keep track of your 5 10s. Now, like you said, we're going to start on the 1 side. 5 take away 6.
Yeah.
Can I do 5 take away 6?
No.
No, I don't have enough. So, where do I need to go? I need to go next door to the 10s. Hopefully that's what we're thinking about. If not, we'll keep practicing, okay? Go next door to the 10 side. Hi there, we're the 1s. We need some more. Here they go. They're going to give us a 10. That's turning into 10 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But I need to fix these numbers. How many 10s do I have over here? I had 5, but I had to give 1 to the 1s. How many 10s do I have now?
4.
If you're thinking 4, great job. I cross this out. Help us keep track of the problem. We're at a 4 here. Now let's see how many 1s I have now. I had 5, then I gained 10 more. I had 5, count on, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yep, I cross it out. I now have 15. So, now that I have enough, I have to do 15, take away 6. So I'm going to take away, subtract, minus, say bye to 6 of them. Can you help me count, guys? 1, 2,
3,
4, 5,
6.
6. Good. Let's see how many I do have left. I took away the 6. How many are still there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many do I have left?
9.
9. Now write that right down here on the 1 side. 9. That was a funky 9. Okay, I did the 1 side. Let's go look at the 10 side. Remember, I only have 4 10s now. 4, take away nothing. I bet if you're following along, you'll help me with that. 4, take away nothing. How many do I still have? How many?
4.
4, yep. I write it down here. So 55 take away 6 equals 49.
45.
49. If you were able to follow along there and you're getting it or starting to get the process of it, great job. If you still have some questions about it, still need some more practice, that's okay. We're all going to need to continue to practice it. Go ahead, try some problems from your home learning packet. Maybe come back to the video tomorrow. Try these problems again, okay? That's what we have today for subtraction. Remembering to regroup tens as ones if you don't have enough, okay? Keep trying your best, keep learning, and just take your time with that subtraction. Bye everyone, have a great day.
So take care, yo.